You know, it's no secret we can see a number of very dusty days around here, especially after that wind we saw last week. And when this happens, it doesn't really make you cough and sneeze. It can do some serious damage to the air ducts in our cars and our homes. KMAX Nicolette Perdomo lets us know how much damage we're talking about.
If there's any buildup of dust or dirt in your home, it could be affecting you.
The most common service call that we get at AirServe is just replacing your filters. People are like, hey, my AC's not working, hey, my heater's not working, and we go out there and it's a dirty filter.
James Russell with AirServe says another thing you have to worry about are health issues that come from not changing the filter.
Whenever you're breathing, it will aggravate your sinuses and your lungs.
Normally you'd change your air filter once every 3 months, but this is what happens when a big dust storm comes, and they say it's best to change it as soon as possible.
And car experts say changing the filter in your car is just as important.
It helps to capture all of that, helping the vehicle run and keeping all of that dirt, sand, and debris out of the cab.
Josh Page with Christian Brothers recommends changing it after every second or third oil change.
If you're hearing a whistling, it's time to change your air filter because that's just impeding the airflow, and that's causing the air to whip around here instead of being filtered through the filter.
Russell says it's best to replace them sooner rather than later because if not, your bill will be higher.
Replacing your air filter can lower the cost of your efficiency bill for your AC or heater by up to 15%.
Nicolette Perdomo, KMAX.